Okay guys, on this video I'm going to share with you guys simple way you can make biscuit for your kids at home. If you're interested on this recipe and you love to try new things at home, watch to the end and also help me to share. So what you need for this is butter. So I melted this butter a little bit with microwave and then transfer it into your bowl like this. This is about 450 grams of butter depending on the quantity I'm making. And then I added like 7 tablespoons of brown sugar. You can use white sugar. And then I added vanilla. You can use whichever flavor you have. Then I added a little bit of evaporated milk on it. This one is totally optional. If you don't want to go with this one, it's optional. Then mix very well to combine like this. So once I'm done mixing it, I'm going to go in with my self-rising flour. If you are using plain flour, do well to go in with your baking soda or baking powder on it. Then mix very well to form a dough. This is so simple, guys. If you're the type that love to try new things, you have little ones at home and you want to save money, watch this video and try it. You are going to love it. So I mix it very well to combine. Then I share it into 2 parts. Then the other part, I'm going to be adding cocoa powder on it. This is totally optional. If you don't have cocoa powder, you can just go ahead to roll out your dough and cut out your biscuit, okay? So I added cocoa powder on it. Mix it very, very well to become brown like this. So you don't want your dough to be too soft or hard. This is how it feels on my hand. It's no longer sticky. For this one, I'm going to go in with a little bit of flour and then I'm going to knead it again for me to get the same texture with the one I added the cocoa powder on it. So once I'm done mixing up like this, this is how it looks. I'm going to set it aside, then roll out the dough, and then I'm going to use my biscuit cutter to cut it off. If you don't have biscuit cutter, you can use your knife to cut it into a straight line, and then you know what I mean. Just do it the way it's going to form biscuit for you. You don't have to waste money to buy this thing, okay? You can as well use your knife to achieve what you want. So once I'm done cutting it off like this, I'm going to place it on my baking tray and then bake in the oven. This is very simple to make. So I repeat the same process on the other one. I use another shape to cut it out and then place it in the oven and bake. After watching this video up to this point, are you going to try this recipe? Drop your comments in the comment section. And do well to tell me where you're watching this video so that on my next video, I'm going to send you a hug. Take a look at this. It really came out well. Remember when you're baking your biscuits, heat up your oven and reduce the heat. You're going to come out with perfect biscuit like this. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Today's special hug goes to Chiziterim, watching me from Anambra State, Nigeria. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you on my